absolutely freezing cold already. Not that it's particularly warm today at 22 degrees Celsius, but that is quite a relief. I can't believe how well this thing idles. Though considering how much it's cost to rebuild, I shouldn't really be surprised. It runs like absolutely brand new. And that air conditioner is working absolutely flawlessly. Are you surprised? Honestly, not really. Well, it's now time for me to get the hell out of this vehicle before I die of carbon monoxide poisoning. It's starting to get a bit smelly in this shed because I do have Blue Black parked behind me and the exhaust fumes are coming straight back inside the shed even with the door open. So this is an unsafe situation at the moment. I need to turn this engine off and go back inside for my own well-being. But damn, this thing runs so damn well. Good night, Red.